today I found out that a lot of people don't know differences between car plate numbers in this country, Nigeria. Even some that know that there are differences, they can't actually tell the offices or the kind of personnel, the kind of person that owns that car from the plate number. So today I'll be helping with a list of car plate numbers we have in Nigeria and what they actually mean. So whenever you see them on the road, you can actually be able to differentiate between them. Only for educational purposes, not for anything illegal. The first one is private plate number. This is what a private plate number looks like. Comes with a white background with blue writings on it and the states on it. So you see this plate number, it belongs to an individual. The second one is the commercial vehicles plate number, which comes with white background and red writings on it. You can see it also has the states on top of it. Do you see it like that? That is a commercial plate number. So if you're trying to board a vehicle, maybe on the express, some people call it Sole. This is what a commercial vehicle looks like. This is what you should stop, not a blue plate number. Unless it's the blue plate number defined passenger. The third one is the government plate number. It comes with a white background and a green writing. Once you see any plate number with these green letters that they used to write on it, just know it belongs to a government office or a government official. The fourth one is the diplomatic plate number, or let's say consular plate number also. It comes in like 3 different colors, can be in a red background, blue background, or the purple background. And in most cases, it always has the country code written on it. Something like this. Can you see it? This is what a diplomatic or a consular plate number looks like. That will not mean make you go to store consular for road, may give you visa. No, I beg. The fifth one, it's either is a customized plate number for dealer or transit plate number or a special plate number. Comes with white background also, red writing, but whichever name is meant for will be written on top, something like this. So this is a dealer plate or a special plate number or a transit plate number. So when you see this on the highway, you know the kind of people that use this plate number. The sixth one is, let's say, military or paramilitary plate number. They don't have a particular type of color. It depends on the office it is from. But once you see something like this, they have their own unique color. Police have their own, the military have their own. Once you see any plate number with this kind of unique color, unique design, you should know it belongs to paramilitary or military themselves. And they always have something written on it to be able to tell the kind of people using it. So don't forget I sell clean, reliable, and affordable cars. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, follow, share, and like. And if there are other things you'd like me to talk about for you and make the video, let me know in my DM or in the comment section. Bye for now.